What's that you say? What was that? Can you say that again? What was that? I still can't hear you. Is that so? Really? Yeah? Okay. Are you bored today? You are bored? Oh. I know, I wish there was something we could do. I know. But on Wednesday you'll get your last shot and we can start taking you for walks and playing with other dogs. Yeah, aren't you excited about that? Yeah? I know. What else is on your mind? Aw. You trying to wave to the people watching this video? Oh. Are you wanting to play? You want to play, Nanako? We can play. You want to play? Okay, let's go play. Say goodbye now.